Hello everybody, this is Francisco Martinez for Mobile Development Framework 1, and this is actually week 2. I wanted to at least do a video before I actually submitted this. Um, I didn't get to do last week's assignment because I was having a lot of issues with it, and the same thing goes with this one. I'm going to show you week 1 in a little bit. But week 2, as far as setting it up goes, it's not that bad. It's actually pretty easy. But it's the issues that I was having with week 1 that is messing up my app at the moment. It's primarily trying to put in the proper labels for I would say the table view controllers and stuff like that. That's really been my issue. I'm not gonna show any code from this one because it's pretty much not really all that well, it's not done well. But this is how the app is kind of meant to look. I have the three um I do have the three things over here, the tabs. Like I said, the tabs worked fine. I was actually able to set this up fine. This, like I said, the setup is fine. Um, Added something here. Uh, as I said, I'll get into this in a minute. And as for the labels are not part of an object. Again, it leads back to my week 1 issue. But I at least got something going. Last week I couldn't submit anything because my app was just an absolute mess. At least this time I can at least submit something and just say that I did it, and I get whatever grade I can get. Um, Going on to from week 1. This was my issue. I've been having trouble trying to actually put in the proper um how do you say? Well, the proper outlets into my um into my labels and my images and stuff so that it can actually at least lead to the next page. This one seems to be fine. I'm able to actually have the proper outlets on here, but when I try doing it with this, it shows up with these selections and not the actual um, selections that I want, which I believe, if I can look for it real quick, I believe are these. No, because these are already taken. Um, these, here we go. When If there's one thing I've learned is that when there's no when the dot is not filled in, that means it doesn't have anything that's really working for it. It's not using anything. That is my issue at the moment. I cannot put in any of these things onto my labels, and especially on my image. It's just not working. I don't know why. I've been trying to figure it out, and this is literally the bane of my existence right now. Cause I'm already seeing that this is a very important thing for this class, and it moves on to the other projects. And as you can see, it's not working very well with me as far as my week 2 project. So I really need help with this. I don't know what's going on. I don't know why it's doing this. And if I try to actually turn it on, hold on one second. Yeah, there we go. If I try to actually put in the actual, put in the actual app, it'll start up, and then it will eventually crash before it actually opens up because these things aren't labeled. So there's no reason for it to actually turn on. Let's see, I'm waiting for this simulator to start up. Hopefully you'll be able to see what I'm talking about. Well, it does show up, but as you can see, nothing is on there. I can't go anywhere. I can't do anything. When I try fixing it up, it would just crash on me, and it just didn't want to work. So yeah, that's actually my biggest issue, is just the fact that I can't put in the proper outlets on the labels. I don't know why. I don't know what's going on. I have literally stripped through my projects both my projects once or twice. I even started over like 2 times for both of them, and it's still been the same issues. Um, it's just this week I wanted to submit something at least instead of just not submitting anything at all. Um, I hope you guys are not dealing with this issue. I hope you guys are actually having better luck than I am. But yeah, that's what's going on at the moment. Um, so yeah. Either way, you guys have a good night and see you guys next time.